Hi. Okay, so guys, I really miss you. I know you probably heard I got picked to be on the jury board, whatever. I really can't talk about it much, but I for sure will be gone today and tomorrow. I'm hoping to be back on Monday to see you guys. I just thought I would maybe make a little video to kind of explain what you guys are going to be doing for the next 2 days. So I have put into Google Classroom, yesterday I put in there a little message saying that you could put a link into your phone. So that app is called Remind. I don't think you have to have the app to be able to use it. So I've used it with like the volleyball, the girls' parents before, and what it does is it allows you, instead of having to like email me or talk to me through Google Classroom, you can just text me and your number does not show up on my phone and my number does not show up on your phone. So then it kind of just is a better way to do it between teacher and student. So also in Google Classroom, I have posted an example research paper. So that's kind of just for you to be able to see about how long I'm wanting your next assignment to be and just kind of the gist of what I'm looking for. I don't want it to be super just fact. I want it to be more, yes, informational, and it's still research writing, but I want it to be, you to be able to like, it's just more interesting and it's more like story-ish telling because it tries to make a connection with you and not just lay out the facts for you. So I put that example in, and the topic is Bill Gates. It is an example of a student writing, so I think it's pretty close to what the level I'm going to be expecting from you guys, but it's not anywhere about the topic of what you're going to be doing. So the other document that I put into Google Classroom is a Google Sheet, and you guys should all have access to that. Actually, I don't think I put that. I'll have to change that to make sure that you do. But I will give you all access. I put in 13 Winter Olympic sports. So the first 8th grade class, and I labeled it at the top like 8 red sports, 8 blue sports. I don't know which blue and red you guys are. So the first class, put your names in that first section of sports. And then I listed the same exact sports again. There's 13 on the top, 13 on the bottom. So one person from each class gets one sport. So nobody in the same class will have the same sport, if that makes sense. So I want you guys to choose what sport you want. And you're going to you have today and tomorrow. And remember, tomorrow's classes are shorter, so keep that in mind. But it's kind of like a timed writing. So I don't care where you were on your multitasking assignment, looking at your resources, getting your website, citing your sources, playing the games, any of that. I want you to stop that, and everybody's starting this today. So it's kind of like a timed test writing type thing, because everybody will be done tomorrow. So you have to manage your time. You have to gauge how long that's going to take you to get done. I want you to just forego grammar time today and tomorrow just to allow you enough time to be able to work on this paper. We will look at that and pick that up and finish it next week, so don't worry about that. So you have to research this Olympic sport, and you have to write a paper about your sport. So I mean, and like if you want to just give the history, the details of the sport, that's fine. If you want to find somebody who maybe has been really successful or is well known for doing that Olympic winter sport, I would also be fine with you incorporating that into your paper a little bit. So, I mean, I'm giving you guidelines, but I still want you guys to be able to do what you want to do and have a little bit of say in it. Let me think what else I want to tell you. Oh, so as far as sources, I want you to just copy and paste any websites or links that you use into the bottom of your paper, and we can talk next week about making sure we know how to cite all that, but I don't want you to take all that time in these 2 classes that you have to do this. So just if you get some information from a website, just make sure, make sure you just copy that link and paste it like at the bottom of your page. Or if you want to make a separate document for it, that's fine. So, run down real quick. here we go. So you are going to get onto Google Classroom. Each student is going to put their name by one of the Olympic sports in your section. For if you're the first 8th grade class that comes in, your names will be at the top. If you're the second 8th grade class that comes in, your names will be at the bottom. Each sport only has one kid per class. I think I put enough in there for each of your classes. You have today and tomorrow, and again, tomorrow's short, to research, write, edit, whatever you want to do for that whole paper. So get to work, have fun. If you want or need to contact me, yes, I'm constantly checking my emails whenever we get breaks. We for sure get a break every day around like noon to 1:30 for lunch. But if that Remind app, the Wi-Fi where I'm at is not super great, so that Remind app is a lot faster way to get in contact with me if you have any questions, issues, or need any help. So be good. I hear we're not being very good, but I know that you had a good talk today, so or I guess it'd be yesterday when you were watching this. But I miss you guys, I really do. I want to come back, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.